So now we're going to talk about step 4. If you replaced your power supply, your remote, and this junction box, the next thing that could be wrong if something's not functioning is your motors. So on this So Cozy Loveseat, like most of our So Cozies, they have 2 different motors. You're going to have this motor right here, which is your power headrest motor. Now it looks a little bit more complicated than it really is, but it's really just 2 pins. Take out the cotter pin here, pull this pin out. This connection right here just goes to a 5-pin connection, which you can find in another video where we talk about just replacing this button, but that's where it goes. There's actually even labeled the head actuator. An actuator is just a motor, and you plug those in. Make sure you connect these tight so that they're in here, but there's a little grommet there at the top, which you can't really see, but once you get in there, it's another pin that looks just like this, and you can replace this whole motor to make sure your headrest is working. On the base, there's another motor right here. You can see right here, this is power that comes in from your power supply. It's a little 2-pin connection, right? Make sure those are tight, that those are all in. And then right here, zip tied, is your 5-pin connection that actually comes to make sure that the remote's controlled. Now on the So Cozy, that connection goes back to the junction box. On a normal power headrest motor with a base motor, that will come directly in from the button. But on this one, you can see that it's just this motor here. Southern Motion makes a gold motor. That's kind of how you can see where it is, but this is the base motor. This base motor controls both of the foot functionality, the footrest, and also the back. And so this motor right here, if it does possibly go out, to replace it is pretty simple. You just need a new motor that looks just like this. You can see it's got 2 bolts right here. You're gonna have 2 bolts up here, and then you have 2 bolts on either side here that actually control the mechanism that goes in and out. You'll see that it's a simple little replacement. It has a power connection, a 2-prong, and then it has the 5-pin connection that's either for the remote or the button control. And that would just be simply replaced right here. Very simple, easy fix. Just let us know which chair you have. We can figure out exactly which motor you need so we can get you the correct motor that will fully control the base mechanism of your sofa, recliner, or chair. If you fixed all of these things, your power supply, your remote, your junction box, and these 2 motors, those are the only moving electrical parts that you'll have on a Southern Motion So Cozy piece, so you should be fixed and ready to go.